Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a video on how to keep my blonde maintained in my hair. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the products that I use and what shade I have in my hair and just how I keep it this way. So if you guys want to know what products I use, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you what products I use to maintain my blonde and what color that I use in my hair, or what my hair girl uses in my hair. So originally I went in for highlights, and the color that she put in my hair is called Ashy Blonde. I don't know the exact number that she used or what type of toner that she put in my hair, but I can definitely ask her and put it down in the description bar below. But I love this color that's in my hair, you guys, because let me tell you, I haven't did my hair now. I've been so bad. I think like 2 months is the last time that I did it. Um, I next time that I go see her, I'm actually gonna do a balayage. But that's what I kind of feel that it came out to be instead of like the highlights. Hair has not got like bronzy or that copper color that you get in your hair. For people who have dark hair like me, you do the highlights, and if you don't take care of it, or if you wash it too often, your hair will turn like a bronzy color. But I feel like this ashy blonde that I have in my hair has not done that, because I know there's been a few times where I skipped my purple shampoo. But this blonde, you guys, is so amazing that she put in my hair. Like, I don't know. I like it. Do you guys like the way it looks? Like, it's cute, right? I only wash my hair once a week. I know some people think it might be gross, but it really does good for your hair, because if you suffer from dandruff, that's one of the things that you can do is not wash your hair every day, because you are drying your scalp out when you wash your hair. Even if you use a shampoo that says it's like for everyday use, it's like moisturizing or it doesn't dry you out, it's still gonna dry you out because you're washing your hair and you're sucking all the oils out of your head. So you don't want to wash your hair every single day. Or if you're starting off and you want your hair to be healthy, maybe skip like 3 days when you first do it, or maybe even two. Wash your hair every two, and then from there, like, do it further. But I do my hair only once a week. So I felt that that's what made my hair like healthier and not as dry. Because honestly, you guys, before I did this in my hair, I didn't straighten my hair. I don't really do it now. I just do it once a week when I get the shower, because blowout is already gone for my hair. So when my hair dries, it's like a big frizzy ball. So I get the it's that brush dryer. I use that in my hair and it comes out straight, and I don't do anything else to it, you guys. I don't strain it anymore. That's all I do, because I don't want to burn my hair. Because before that, literally, I would never do anything to my hair with heat. So that is one of the tips, is wash your hair once a week. That leaves the color in your hair longer. And also, when also use a hair mask in your hair once a week when you wash your hair. The one that I'm using right now is I think Briogeo. I can't pronounce the name right, but it's a hair mask. And this one is Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So I only use this once a week, and I leave it in my hair for a few minutes while I'm washing my body or shaving my legs, whatever the case may be. But I leave it in my hair so that way my hair doesn't get too dry and damaged because of the bleach that was used in my hair. I kind of did that backwards. And the purple shampoo that I use is from Redken. This one is the Color Extend Blondage Color Depositing Shampoo. So this is a purple shampoo that I use for my hair. You're only supposed to use this once a week, so I only do it once a week. Like I said, I've been bad the last 2 times. I haven't did it. But as you guys can see, look, even with the last 2 times, my hair is still not like that brassy looking. So I do the purple shampoo first, and then I let the deep conditioning mask sit in my hair while, I bathe or whatever, and wash it, and it leaves my hair so soft, and it's easier to comb when you get out the shower. Another product that I use when I get out the shower and my hair is wet, this one is a Pravana Perfect Blonde This here is like the purple shampoo, but this is a leave-in conditioner for your hair. And all you do is just shake it up, and then it mixes all together. And I spray this after I get out the shower, and I spray it in my hair wet. And you guys, and it smells so good. This is another key factor that I use for my hair to keep it this way, even though I don't use a purple shampoo, because this does have the purple in it. And this one you're allowed to leave in your hair, and it sits there and it makes your hair so soft. And the plus side is that it smells so good. And this one I got off of Amazon. I know the purple shampoo you could too. I'll link everything down below on where I got everything. And the last two products that I use for my hair after that to keep it shiny, like after I straighten it or in everyday use, I use a Caviar Anti-Aging Rapid Repair Spray. This one gives you an instant shine. And it also moisturizes, so that way, because my hair is already frizzy, so this makes it smell so good. And this smells like, I know you guys seen this on, I think, the past two videos, maybe my favorites, like a Barbie smell. Like when when you buy a brand new Barbie and they smell so good, this is what it smells like. Yeah, this is like my favorite. I have like backups and backups of this because it's like so good. And the next one that I use also for my hair to keep it shiny and not frizzy is this Garnier Fructis. This one is the this one is a Marvelous Oil Hair Elixir. This has avocado, olive, and almond oils. So if your hair is like super frizzy, because I just barely take a little bit and just rub it in my hands and then just spread it out. If I'm not using this, I use this one, and it makes your hair like super shiny, and it also smells good, and this is like very affordable. All these products that I have is affordable except two, but these ones, you guys won't regret it if you do buy it for your hair. If you have the color or any color that you have in your hair, like if you do dye your hair black or if you do your hair brown, just to keep that color vibrant in your hair and not look like it's fading and just kind of ugly kind of color. But those are all the products that I use for my hair. It's nice and easy, nothing too crazy. I hope that you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys use for your hair, if you have highlights in your hair, or if you have a balayage in your hair. Let me know what stuff that you use. I like trying a new thing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.